back to another YouTube video. Today I'm showing y'all how I did this install. This hair is from Ida Hair. The link will be in the description down below. And it's just really giving. Like, I curled it, I did curl it. I really think I did my thing with this. Like, yeah. If you are interested to see how I did this look, tune into this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button to see more hair videos like this. And hit that notification bell so you can get notifications whenever I post videos. With all that being said, let's get into the video. I'm not gonna praise you.